Imagine controlling your lights without touching anything, just by using your hand gestures. In this video, I built a fully working gesture controlled smart home system using an ESP32-CAM and AI. Watch carefully because this feels like a real magic. This project uses an AI-based vision system where a camera detects my hand gestures in real time. I am using ESP32-CAM for live video streaming, Python with MediaPipe for gesture detection, Seed Studio XIAO ESP32C3 for controlling appliances. The system works completely wirelessly over Wi-Fi. ESP32-CAM captures my hand movement and sends live video stream. Python reads the video using OpenCV. MediaPipe detects my hand landmarks and fingers. Each gesture is converted into a command. That command is sent to XIAO ESP32C3 via Wi-Fi. Finally, a relay turns the light on or off. I used very simple components for this project. ESP32-CAM for vision, XIAO ESP32C3 for control, one channel relay module, LED bulb or AC bulb. The ESP32-CAM is a low-cost Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled microcontroller board with a built-in camera module. It is based on the ESP32 chip and is widely used for AI, IoT, image processing, face recognition, surveillance, and smart automation projects. The ESP32-CAM can capture images, stream live video over Wi-Fi, and communicate wirelessly with other devices. Despite its small size and low price, it is powerful enough for real-time camera application and smart vision-based systems. The Seed Studio XIAO ESP32C3 is a compact and powerful Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth microcontroller board based on the ESP32C3 chip. It is very small in size, but offers excellent performance for IoT and smart automation projects. It supports wireless communication, low power consumption, and multiple GPIO pins for connecting sensors, relays, display, and other modules. In this project, the XIAO ESP32C3 is used as the smart home controller that receives commands from the AI gesture system and controls the light through a relay module. Connect the VCC pin of the relay module with 5V of the XIAO ESP32C3. Connect the ground pin to ground and connect the signal pin to GPIO pin 2. Now upload this code to the ESP32C3. After uploading the code successfully, open the serial monitor from the Arduino IDE and set the baud rate to 115200. Once the board connects to Wi-Fi, you will see an IP address printed on the serial monitor. Note down this IP address carefully because we will use it later inside the Python code to send gesture commands from the AI system to XIAO ESP32C3. Open the Arduino IDE. Go to File, Example, ESP32, Camera, Camera Web Server. Choose AI Thinker camera model. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Now upload the code. After upload, open the serial monitor. You will get the IP address. As you can see, this IP address is used in the Python code. Now we need to install the required Python libraries for this project. These libraries will help us to process the camera stream, detect hand gestures, and send wireless command to the smart home controller. Open the command prompt or terminal and run the following command. After installing all the required libraries, we are now ready to run Python code. Open the Python file containing the gesture recognition code. Then go to the Run menu and click on Run module. Once the code starts executing, a live video stream window from the ESP32-CAM will appear on the screen. Now the system will start detecting hand gestures in real time and send commands wirelessly to the Seat Studio XIAO ESP32C3 to control the light. Now I am showing my palm gesture, and as you can see on the screen, the system detects the gesture instantly and the light turns off. Now when I change my hand to the victory sign, the light turns on immediately. You can see how fast and responsive the system is. Again, when I show the palm gesture, the light turns off, and when I show the victory sign, the light turns on. This demonstrates that our AI-based gesture-controlled smart home system using the ESP32-CAM and Seat Studio XIAO ESP32C3 is working successfully in real time. We successfully used hand gestures to control a light wirelessly in real time using computer vision and AI. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned something new from it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing AI, IoT and ESP32 projects. Also comment below what project you want to see next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.